Radhika Khera has made some shocking allegations against the Congress party. She has claimed harassment and intimidation against some senior party leaders, and now the Prime Minister has reacted to the news of Radhika Khera resigning from the Congress party. In fact, the Prime Minister has said that those who visit temples out of devotion are now being thrown out of the party.
आंध्र प्रदेश विकास और विरासत की धरती है। यहां की पहचान एनटीआर गारू से होती है। एनटीआर गारू ने भगवान राम का चरित्र जन जन तक पहुंचाया था। अब बीजेपी ने भव्य राम मंदिर का 500 साल पुराना सपना पूरा किया है, लेकिन तुष्टीकरण में डूबी कांग्रेस ने अयोध्या में राम मंदिर का बायकॉट कर दिया। कांग्रेस का कोई नेता अगर भक्ति भाव से राम मंदिर चला जाता है तो उसे पार्टी से निकाल दिया जाता है।
Let me go straight across now to CNN News 18's Payal for more on this. Payal, I just got a chance, in fact, to speak to Radhika Khera. She was in our studios and she is, making some very serious allegations against the Congress party. But most importantly, she says that she believes that she has been thrown out of the party because her faith and her ideology and her visit to Ram Temple. Now, obviously, that has given the BJP enough ammo to target the Congress party on this matter.
Well, of course, yes, the BJP is going to use this opportunity, and how, and that's the fact that the Prime Minister himself is speaking about the entire issue. Remember, the Prime Minister is speaking about this in a rally while he's speaking, on the Lok Sabha elections. He essentially saying that this is the true face of the Congress party, because remember, the BJP has been attacking the Congress party for its appeasement politics towards one community, and hasn't the script been the same? If you remember, Avantika, then, Gaurav Vallabh, Rohan Gupta, all of these people who quit the Congress party have also said the same thing, have said the same. I think, as far as their faith is really concerned, because all of them have said that they would not want to be associated with a party which actually objects to the Ram Mandir consecration ceremony and participation in that as well. So Radhika Khera being the latest, salvo as far as that is concerned, and that salvo has been, fired at the Congress party. And of course, the BJP obviously reminding the Congress party of their appeasement politics, and none other than the Prime Minister making that mention right now.
Absolutely. The former